Is your Ninja Speedi experiencing electrical problems like sudden shutdowns or failure to power on? Let's troubleshoot step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your appliance will be back in action. Begin by checking the power cord and outlet. Wiggle the plug to ensure it's secure and test the outlet with another device. If the outlet isn't working, reset your circuit breaker. A trip breaker is a common cause of power loss. If the issue persists, inspect the appliance's fuse. Older fuse boxes may struggle with the Speedi's high power demand. If other appliances share the circuit, unplug them to reduce load. For homes with outdated wiring, consult an electrician to upgrade to a dedicated circuit. Next, reset the Speedi. Unplug it for 10 minutes to clear temporary errors. This also allows internal components to cool, preventing overheating-related shutdowns. Clean the power contacts. Unplug the unit, then use a dry cloth to wipe the prongs on the plug and the interior of the outlet. Corrosion or debris here can disrupt power flow. For persistent issues, check for overheating. Ensure the appliance is on a flat, heat-resistant surface with at least 6 inches of clearance around vents. Blocked airflow can cause internal components to overheat. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to access Ninja's troubleshooting guide. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!